Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I was going to be doing something a little bit different. As you see, I'm not in the shade, I'm in a greenhouse. I kind of want to do a little bit more on this channel other than just art. I kind of want to make it kind of like my life, I guess. All winter I've been dying to do like gardening type of stuff, but not flowers. Like veg and stuff you use in the house, like onions and carrots, peas and stuff. I have some seeds here, I'll show you in a second. I have this greenhouse years. I remember getting it as a present, well not for me, for my dad it was. He's dead now though, but he made an extension on the back of it against the wall to grow like veg, root veg. So I'm going to take advantage of that basically. But any suggestions, because I've never really grown anything before. I actually grew apple trees right there. I grew them from a seed I got in an apple in like the shop, which are like massive right now. Maybe I'll show you them later. But yeah, I just went to the shop yesterday and got like carrots. These are Amsterdam 2 sweetheart carrots. Onion globo. Tomato moneymaker. And peas. What's it? Delicata or mange tooth or something like that. I don't know how to say it. But any advice or tips on how to grow this stuff like properly, greatly appreciated. But so right here I'm going to plant them in there first. I'm going to plant, what am I planting? Plant the peas and tomatoes first. I did look up about carrots. Apparently they don't like to be transported. Like, they don't like to be planted there and then put into the ground over there. But yeah. We'll be doing those. So let me just get them in real quick. Right, so that's the tomatoes done. Just so I don't forget, I'll put that there. So now let's do just very big chunks in this. Sorry for the dog barking in the background. She likes to do that. Taking out the big chunks there so don't mix anything up. I'm probably overdoing it, but sure, be grand. And so now we'll do the peas. There's the peas. Now, should I put like a few of each peas in each little hole, or should I put just one? Actually, that one is starting to crack open already. I think I'll put 2 in each just to make sure. I doubt the peas will be I doubt, if they do grow, I doubt they'll make it to the potter anyway. Because my mother will come out and absolutely hop off them raw. Or anyone, my brother-in-law. Oh. Right, so that's the peas done. I think I'll wait a little bit longer to do down there because I'm just after getting all the heads. There's all weeds in it, it was all overgrown. Right, there's still some down there. And I'm just after fixing, this is plastic perspex. It broke during a storm one year. Like, this is glass. It's glass, this is perspex. And I have a big panel down there I have to get, and the panel there. Might have to do one down there as well to get more of the stuff, but I do want to kind of mess with like the hydroponics type of thing. I've never done it before, and I think it looks awesome, and it's really cool to kind of mess around with that stuff. So I think I'm going to try to put one across there, and I'll have the hose pipe over there connect into it, and I'll be able to turn it on over there. It's all just ideas right now, but it's just a quick video I want to. But I will come back if people want me to make more videos, of course. I might just make them anyway and just put them up. If no one watches them, no one watches them. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment if you want to see more videos. If you have any suggestions for me or anything. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.